welcome back to the channel. Today I'm so excited. Let me show you what I got in the mail. Woohoo! My America the Beautiful Senior Lifetime Pass. 80 bucks for a lifetime, but don't lose it, because then you'll have to pay again. But I'm excited. I think I'm gonna go in and get online and book me a campsite at the Ocala National Forest. Since it's a national forest, you can go ahead and get half price off. So I'm gonna go in and check on dates and use this for the very first time. If you don't have one, you need to get one. Okay, so I'm on the recreation.gov website where you can go in and make a reservations for some of the spots that you may qualify for a half off discount from when you get your senior lifetime pass. So let me go into camping and lodging, and the one I want to go to, which I haven't been in a minute, is Juniper Springs. Now I've already gone ahead and made a reservation, and let me just log in. And I'll be right back. So since I've gone ahead and made a reservation already, I just wanted to show you the costs. Just like everything else, it's going up. The reservation fee's gone up to $8. And I remember this park used to be $27 a night. Now it's $37. But as you see, I get a pass discount, so half off of the actual price of the reservation, not including any fees or taxes. So in total, it comes out to $49.26, which is not bad for 2 nights stay. So these are some of the benefits you get with the senior lifetime pass. So as you can see, getting the pass is a really good deal. It really helps you out when you're using the pass for going to national parks and places as such, and for campsites that might be half price. But before I continue, let me show you what else I got in the mail today. I'm so excited. Oh, I got up this morning and I had a package at the front door, and it's my customized license plate cover. Yay! Gotta take the old one out. It advertises where I bought the vehicle at. They don't need free advertising. I'd rather advertise myself. So let me go ahead, get a screwdriver so I can put this on. Okay, I don't know if it's a flathead or a Phillips, so I'm gonna go ahead and take both out. Get my plaque. Let's head out the door. Oh, there's where my package came in at. Go ahead and put my license plate frame on. Doesn't that look sweet? Man, it's hot outside. I came back in, but I just wanted to show you the license plate frame that I received with my YouTube logo on it, and I'll try to go ahead and link it down below. It is custom made, and it did take I don't remember if it took like a week and a half to get here, probably about 2 weeks. It came from overseas, so if you're gonna go ahead and order one, don't be in such of a hurry because it'll take a couple of weeks to get here. But I like it. It's really cool. You can customize it yourself. You can add your logo, any wording that you want, and you can pick your color. It's pretty cool. Okay, here's a breakdown of the America the Beautiful Senior Pass. It's a lifetime pass offered by the U.S. federal government for citizens or permanent residents age 62 and older. It provides access to more than 2,000 federal recreation sites across the country, including national parks, national wild refuges, national forests, and lands managed by the Bureau of Land Management, BLM Land, Bureau of Reclamation, and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. And what does it cover? It covers entrance fees, covers the standard entrance fees at all participating federal recreation sites for the pass holder, any accompanying passengers in a single non-commercial vehicle. Per person fee access. If the site charges a per person fee, then the pass covers the pass holder and up to 3 additional adults. Children that are under 16 are automatically free. So, and you also get discounts on amenities for certain 50% off certain amenities like camping, which is what I did when I booked the site at the Juniper Springs, because it is a national forest. It includes anything that's in the national forest, camping, boat launches, and guide tours. But everything is availability may vary by site, so you might want to check before you go. What it does not cover state parks. It doesn't cover special tours or concessions such as guided excursions that are run by private companies. It doesn't cover reservation fees like the $8 reservation fee that I had to pay for campsites booked online. Standard booking fees still apply. And how do I get one? Well, you go and it's available as a lifetime pass, one-time fee of $80. Or you can get an annual senior pass, which is $20. Now, you can later upgrade that, and I think it gets discounted. So if you have one pass that you've paid $20 for 1 year, then you can get the senior pass for, since it's 80, we take away the 20. If you have a couple of those passes, it takes down $20 for a year, depending on how many passes you have. How to use it? You present the pass at the entrance station of any federal site or display it in your vehicle if there's no staff available at the entrance. For camping and discounted services, show your pass when paying or booking the site online. This pass is not transferable and is only valid when signed by the pass holder. It's great for retirees, travelers, outdoor enthusiasts. This pass can pay for itself in just a few visits to any park or any camping reservations. It is good, like I said, in the national parks, U.S. Forest Services, BLM Land, Bureau of Reclamation, U.S. Wildlife and Fish Services, and the U.S. Army of Engineers. Let's see what else. Okay, how to get the pass. You can go in person at any national park or forest and any participating site. But you have to make sure that they sell it there because not everyone sells it. I got mine online at usgs.gov or by mail. You can use the application on the usgs.gov website. You need to prove that you're 62 or older. Don't remember how I had to prove it. And you need to prove U.S. citizenship or permanent residency. How to use your pass. At the entrance station, just show your pass, and they might require photo ID. If the place is unstaffed, just go ahead. They give you a little you can hang it from your rear view mirror and put your pass in it. And for discounts, when you check in, you might have if you're going to a campsite and you're not doing it online, you check in, you have to show the pass. Is it worth it? Yeah. Some of these parks, like the Grand Canyon National Park, will charge $35 per vehicle. Yellowstone, also $35. The Everglades, $30. So in 2 or 3 visits, it's already paid for itself. So why not get it? Most top destinations for the Senior Pass is Yosemite National Park in California, the Blue Ridge Parkway, North Carolina, Glacier National Park, Everglades National Park, and Arches National Park. It tells you about some extra tips. Combine your Senior Pass with off-season travel to avoid crowds and lower campground availability. If you enjoy camping, this pass can save you hundreds of dollars each year on discounted campsite fees. Bring it on road trips. It works at national monuments, historical sites, and federal recreation sites, not just national parks. Perfect, like I said, for RV travelers, retirees, outdoor enthusiasts. It's a great pass to have. And like I said, a couple of times using this, it's going to pay for itself. So why not get it? It's a lifetime. You and everybody else in the car, camping. Yeah, I'll go ahead, and I think I've made a PDF of this information. I will go ahead and link the PDF down below just in case you have any further questions or you missed something that I may have said. Like I said, I can't wait. I've already booked my first one using my pass. Got half off my camping, not including, of course, taxes and fees, but any little help you can get in these times is very appreciated. So go ahead and get your pass. If you're 62 or older, get your pass. I know I don't look 62, but I was so excited to find this out and get it. I don't know if I've heard of it in the past. I think I may have, but I put it aside, and talking to my neighbor, said he had the pass, and I said, oh yeah, that's right, 62 you can get it. Some people get it, apply for it, same day they turn 62 because they're so excited to get the pass. So get yours. Well, as always, thanks for watching, guys, and I will be headed to Juniper Springs shortly, and I'll go ahead and make a video while I'm there. So stay tuned so you can see my trip to Juniper Springs using my Reserve America Pass, getting 50% off discount. Thanks for watching. Get outdoors and have fun.